Brazilian wax. Is it right for me? Wondering if a Brazilian wax is right for you, whether for beach season, body confidence, or personal care? Let's uncover what you need to know before that appointment. A Brazilian wax is a hair removal method for the pubic area. It removes hair from the front, labia, and buttocks. Unlike a bikini wax, it leaves little to no hair. You can request a small strip if you prefer. This process uses warm wax to pull hair from the root. Many salons offer customizable options based on your comfort. It's performed by trained professionals using safe, hygienic practices. People choose Brazilian waxes for many reasons. Some enjoy the clean, smooth feeling it provides. Others feel more confident in swimwear or tight clothing. For many, it's simply a grooming preference. The pros include long-lasting smoothness and less frequent growth. The cons: there's temporary pain, possible irritation, and regular maintenance. Not all hair types respond the same to waxing. Coarse or thick hair may need several sessions for best results. Your pain tolerance matters. Everyone feels different. If you have sensitive skin, consult a licensed esthetician first. Knowing your skin type helps avoid unpleasant surprises. Always choose a licensed, experienced waxing professional. Look for salons with strong hygiene standards and good reviews. Tools should be sanitized, and technicians should wear gloves. Don't hesitate to ask about certifications or their experience. The environment should feel clean and trust your instincts. After waxing, your skin can be more sensitive than usual. Avoid hot showers, sun exposure, and tight clothing for 24 hours. Use gentle, fragrance-free moisturizers or aloe-based lotions. Stay away from perfumed products during the healing period. If prone to ingrown hairs, wait a few days before gentle exfoliation. Keep the area clean, cool, and moisturized to prevent complications. A Brazilian wax can be a great option, but it's not for everyone. Consider your pain tolerance, skin type, and personal preferences. Take your time, do your research, and go to a professional. The right choice makes you feel confident and comfortable. Want more tips on personal care and wellness? Hit subscribe, give this video a like, and tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay smooth, stay informed.